All right, my friend, we are very, very close to the end. I hope you're as excited as I am. I hope you've been taking notes. This is question number 7. If you missed the other questions, you need to go back on my page and look for the other videos and just go back and rewatch them if you watched them already. Question number 7 is, when it's time for financing, will you pass me along from one lender to another lender and so on? This is a very important question, and it's a big issue I see with a lot of different business credit companies. When it's time for financing, they just pass you along from one person to the next person to the next person, and they just kind of hope and they just really kind of shoot for the stars and see what you're going to get, not really knowing what you're going to be approved for. So my clients, when they sign up with us, they get access to a software. The software has about 19 different lending programs in it, and we already know what you're pre-qualified for, so we might be able to fill out the application for you to help you to get approved a lot faster. The only time we might send you from one lender to the next is if we're going for business lines of credit, utilizing your personal credit, your business credit, and your business income. But it's still going to be stated income unless you're making like $500,000 to $1 million a year, and you can prove it on paper. Everything else is going to be stated income, and that's the only time we're going to pass you from one lender to the next. And we're going to be doing all of the introductions. We're going to connect you with our branch managers, our bankers, relationship managers. We want to connect you with our people at the bank. But besides that, everything you need is in the software. You don't have to go from one place to the next and just talk to a million different random people hoping that you get approved without some kind of previous relationship with them. So that's a big question that I would ask. Are you going to pass me along from lender to lender? I wouldn't ask them like that because then they might throw some guards up at you. But I would ask them, what's your process after I'm finished building my business credit? How would I get financing after that? That would be a good question to ask.